In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of Line. If you've searched the Line app and can't find a log out button, don't worry. This method signs you out safely by using your device settings. It works on most Android devices and relies on clearing the app's stored data, which removes your account information from the device without deleting your Line account. Before you start, a quick heads up. Clearing data resets the app to a fresh state. That means local items like saved logins and unbacked up chat history can be removed from the device. If you want to keep your chats, make sure you've backed them up in Line beforehand. Also, menu labels vary by phone. Yours might say Apps, App Management, or Apps and Notifications, and storage might appear as Storage in Cache or Storage Usage. Begin by opening your device's settings. You'll usually find the settings gear on your home screen or app drawer, and on some phones you can swipe down from the top and tap the gear in the quick panel. Inside Settings, go to the section that manages your apps. Depending on the device, tap Apps, App Management, or Apps and Notifications to see the full list of applications installed on your phone. Scroll through the list and locate Line, then tap it to open the app info screen. If your phone offers a search field at the top, typing Line is the fastest way to find it. On the app info page, look for storage options. This may be labeled Storage, Storage Usage, or Storage in Cache. Open that screen. You'll see details like how much space the app and its data are taking on your device. Now tap Clear Data or Clear Storage. This is the key action that signs you out. To be clear, it doesn't delete your Line account. It only removes the app's local data on this device, including your login session. When prompted, confirm by tapping OK. The storage numbers will drop, indicating the reset. From here, Line is fully signed out on this phone. The next time you open the app, you'll be greeted with the sign in or sign up screen, and notifications will stop until you sign back in. If you only select Clear Cache, that won't log you out, so be sure you used Clear Data or Clear Storage. And that's all it takes. This method is perfect for shared devices because it ends your session immediately on that phone. Keep your sign-in details ready for next time and consider enabling backups so your chats are protected.